Well, sometimes all you need to make your day good is the awaited good news. Yes, you might have guessed it right. We're talking about Elon Musk's newest triumph. Elon Musk has acquired Twitter for $43 billion. dollars. And in New York, Senator Thomas proposes to criminalize rug pulls and other crypto frauds. While, on the other hand, Gno.land aspires to be the best smart contracting platform, and the Central African Republic accepts Bitcoin as legal tender now. So, without taking much of your time, let's jump on to our first story. Musk's long fight to acquire Twitter will probably end with his victory. News has already broken on the internet that the social networking company is ready to accept terms and conditions laid down by Tesla founder. Elon Musk has been a critique of Twitter's policies for a long time now. He has been continuously sharing his plans to improve the infrastructure of the company if he takes over it. He was the biggest shareholder of Twitter and recently stated that he would consider his position as a holder if Flatter denies his offer. Finally, on April 25th, Twitter started negotiating Musk's offer of taking over the company for $46.5 billion, dollars, as company stock value increased to $51 a share this morning. This arrangement is not yet settled and there are chances of it getting crashed at any moment. It should be noted that Musk is investing his own money into this deal and not acting as Tesla's CEO. Therefore, there are doubts about him being able to fund this whole amount. Sources suggest that Twitter may agree to accept Musk's best and final offer, which is $43 billion dollars in cash. Neither Twitter nor Elon Musk has yet agreed to comment on the matter. However, the billionaire tweeted hours back that for him, free speech holds much importance and he would suppress the voice even of his worst critics. Next up, Senator Kevin Thomas of New York presented a new bill amendment to create various penalties relating to drug pulls and other frauds. Private key fraud is the unauthorized disclosure or use of another person's private keys. The law also seeks to prosecute developers with fraud for failing to disclose a stake in digital currencies. Rug pulls have become a problem in decentralized finance, robbing users of hundreds of millions of dollars. Numerous lawmakers have taken aim at them and have attempted to criminalize them in the US since they are among the most common type of fraud. The rug pull is a type of swindle in which the team steals fund from investors by reducing the liquidity of the trading pool, eventually leaving holders with illiquid tokens that cannot be redeemed. Senator Kevin Thomas of New York presented an additional bill amendment request to include new offenses involving rug pull, misuse of private keys, and disguised stake cryptocurrency companies. Senator Thomas' Senate Bill S8839 proposes identify penalizing and criminalizing scams aimed directly at developers and businesses aiming to mislead cryptocurrency investors. The goal of Thomas's bill is to provide prosecutors with a clear legal framework for pursuing cryptocurrency offenses in accordance with the blockchain's ethos while preventing fraud. It recommends a legislative change that would penalize developers who sell more than 10% of such token within 5 years of date. When private keys are exposed or misused without the person's consent, it is called private key fraud. The bill also proposes punishing developers with fraudulent failure to reveal an interest in digital token if they fail to publicly disclose personal cryptocurrency holdings on the main page of their primary website. The bill intends to impose a 10% threshold on developers who sell within 5 years of the last sale. A developer, whether natural or artificial, commits illegal rug pull when he or she creates a class of virtual token and sells more than 10% of such token within 5 years of the last sale of such token. Moving towards our next segment. Gno.land, founded by Jay Kwan, is all set to soon don the title of the best smart contracting platform. The platform is a new blockchain in the Cosmos ecosystem, and its main aim is to help optimize the consensus process between validators and the completeness of the smart contract. The platform adopts a new language called Gno.land, which is a fork of Golang. Gno.land, which is also having a token for governance and stocking and a separate ones for fee. The government's responsibilities will only be represented by the stocking token. The stocking token will only be put to use by nodes, validators, and network stakeholders who possess a good understanding of the blockchain. The end users of the platform will also be provided with the ability to invest utility tokens used to execute contracts of the blockchain. The tokens, however, will be held in wallet for future users without having to be wary about inflation. In order to incentivize more people to get on Gno.land, the platform is rewarding people making the best, most canonical stablecoin implementations in Gno.land with Gnots. DeFi has advantages of developer attention. This will prove that Web3 development is best in Golang and breathe movement into the all other infrastructure DAOs we should be funding here. Tweets Cohn, the founder of Gno.land, who is very optimistic about the prospect of this new platform. Kwan, who is currently working on Gno.land, is credited as the founder of Cosmos with Ethan Buchman. He also founded Tendermint in 2014 and later stepped down from the company in the year 2020. And now, winding up our segment with one final coverage. According to the reports, the Central African Republic has made Bitcoin its legal tender, and as a result, Bitcoin will now be accepted as a form of payment. After El Salvador, they will be the second country to do so. As per Forbes Monaco, the bill was unanimously supported by National Assembly, putting Bitcoin at the center of the country's economic revival. The news astounded everyone because nobody expected an African government to adopt Bitcoin. Making Bitcoin legal tender appears to be aimed towards improving the economy and settlement. Gurnazako, the Minister of Digital Economy and Telecommunications, and Calixte Nagango, the Minister of Finance and Budget, prepared a draft law that demonstrates a structure for cryptocurrency regulation and the adoption of Bitcoin as an official currency in the Central African Republic. The minister quoted, highlighting the restrictive framework of the central bank and claiming that digital currencies had many advantages. He proceeds to explain that it is at present very difficult to process remittances. So we'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meantime, if you have any recommendations or opinions, you can let us know in the comment section below. You can also join our Telegram channel for free crypto alerts. For instructions, reviews and tutorials, visit our blog which is linked right below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.